I really don't know where my umbrella is at.
Well, we started the week with record-breaking heat, so why would we have our umbrellas,
Right?
rain jackets, and rain boots
Yeah.
out? Yeah, I mean, we'll get them out because we're going to be heading into several inches of rain expected here in Southern California, so I hope you find them, Tony.
Oh, look, yeah, I've got a day to look, right?
You have another day. We have today and tomorrow.
He still hasn't figured out how to use it, though. So we have to go over all that.
Yeah.
Sometimes those things get difficult. Yeah, so we're going to head into most of this actually looking like Friday morning now. So if you're a morning commuter, Friday morning looks to be really tough. If you can avoid it, that would be best, but I know that's hard to do, so just know leave very early Friday morning. Ahead of it, today, temperatures just a little cooler. We have another foggy start for areas closer to the coast, out near LAX, and then inland, just really pretty skies. If you can step outside and just catch a glimpse of the sunrise this morning with the high clouds. We always see really, really beautiful sunrises, some of the best when we have high clouds outside, so that's one of those mornings to start. Temperatures are cool, not too chilly though. The cloud coverage helped trap some of the daytime heating from yesterday, which was still getting warm inland. Now today's going to kind of be the last of it. Tomorrow will still be somewhat mild, but then as we get into Friday, it's just going to be cool for several days. So we're going to start to see everything shift. There are a couple different outcomes. We basically know that sometime between Thursday night and Saturday, we will be receiving rain, but how much, exactly where, and the exact timing, still a little iffy, but it does look like Thursday night is when this starts to pick up and get closer. A lot of moisture with this big plume and all that cloud coverage heading in really throughout the day today. That's all we're going to be seeing, high clouds on and off. By the time we head into the overnight hours, this could be Virga, but we'll see what happens. We're not really expecting to see anything hit the ground until we head into later tomorrow. 3:30 tomorrow afternoon, if you watch the timestamp up here, rain is still just in Santa Barbara County. We're not seeing much yet here, but then over the course of the following several hours, we'll start to see some spotty showers ahead of that main front and part of it. So by 9 p.m. Thursday night, moderate and more widespread heavy rain moving into Ventura County and just becoming more widespread by the time we head into about 3 a.m., heading into the foothills, into the South Bay, and even more widespread by 7 a.m. into the IE, into Orange County, and you can see those moderate to heavy pockets are going to be out there. So several hour period of some consistent rainfall and heavy at times. By midday and lunchtime, a lot of us getting a break. It looks to be mostly just heading out to the east, and then on and off throughout the day on Friday will continue with on and off showers, still heavy at times. Saturday is going to be the debatable factor here, and we have to wait until the next model run to really see if it backs off. If it doesn't, we are expecting higher impacts. We are expecting roadway flooding, and that's when we could really see some damage, because Friday alone, we're expecting into Saturday morning anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain. I don't want this to concern you too much, but if we head into Saturday and this low stalls off the coast and continues to really bring us some consistent rainfall through Saturday, we will get closer to the 4 to 5 inch total for some of the foothills and mountains. Not these exact locations necessarily, but closer to foothills and mountain communities. So if you are near recent burn scars, make sure you have several ways to receive alerts. If we see those totals, we will see the higher impacts. And so we're just putting it out there to be over prepared rather than under prepared, just in case that scenario system possibly bringing us more opportunities into next week. All right, we'll have your mountains and desert forecast coming up here. Scott Reif up in Air 7 with a look at your drive. Hey, Scott.